Hello YouTube, today I'm going to make a video on Zoho Vault. So first off guys, what you're gonna do is click on access on the Zoho Vault. So guys, so I have an account, I'm sorry but I have an account already on Zoho, but let me just try to show you what it would look like if if you guys just were to make an account. So the page would look like this. You would be asked to I'm sorry, it is in Dutch. You'll be asked to add your email and enter your password. After that, you have to agree with the terms of service and privacy policy, or you can just sign in with Google or Microsoft. But I have already logged my account. I already have made an account, but I don't have an Zoho Vault account. So after making an account, you click on access Zoho Vault, and after that you'll be redirected to this site. So here guys, you have to click on no, my organization is not a vault. So you just set your organization name. My organization name, it will be NetTech. Your master password will have to be the best password that you have. Like if you have a password in mind, like your main password, just try to make it a little bit more complicated, so that could be your master password. So enter my password, which is already better, which is already super buff. I think it's like this. Yeah, so enter the text that you see in the below image. So okay, L2 Q V6, and after that you just have to click on this. As the Zoho Vault does not store my master password anywhere, I understand that without my master password I will not be able to access the password stored. Okay, so just click on OK, get started, and that is it. So right now we're in the main page of the site, so we can take a tour and we can skip it. I'll just skip it for this video. So now we can store passwords in here. We can see folders. We can create a folder, like folder name will be info 111, and we can just create a folder, and in the folder we can add passwords, sites, Unix and Windows, but we don't need that. We'll just add a password right now. So let me show you what a good password is. So the category is for a web account. You can just, or you can have it for a bank account, file store, healthcare, payment card, social security number, Unix, web account, or Windows. But we now want to make a password for a web account. So name is for let's say YouTube account, YouTube. Okay, so here it is, YouTube. The folder will be folder 101. The username will be Kelly DR with R as capital letter, and the password will be let's say I'm as a capital letter. I'm a big boy. Okay, what happened? So okay, I'm a big boy. 1 2 3 XX, let's say. And in the end, I always tell people to make your password more secure, just add two exclamation marks. It isn't that hard, guys. You just have to add two exclamation marks. This makes your password more secure, and if someone can guess that you have a exclamation mark in the end, they won't guess that you have two exclamation marks in the end. And so we just click on save. We can add notes or tags, but we don't need that. We just click on save, and here if we click on this, we can launch this, and we will be asked to sign in. We're already signed in, so it will just ask us to what channel would we like to enter. So we just close that, and now we can just go again in the folder and then let's import a site. So we can import a job site, Discord site, whatever you want. There's a vast majority of 400 plus sites. Like if you'd like to, if you are a weeb, if you like anime, like just say Crunchyroll. Okay, so they don't have Crunchyroll, but Netflix, guys, again, if you'd like to watch anime, Netflix. I guess there also is McDonald's. Here is McDonald's, guys. Whatever you want, guys, you can just click on it and then just add username, passwords, TOTP key, current TOTP, and notes, but we don't need that right now. Again, the folder, we can create a Windows. The Windows name can be like Windows 12, but I'll just enter user 1212. The username is Bobby the Bean, and the password is 2 to the 1 to the 3 to the 3 to the 1 to the 1 3 to the 2 to the 1, and in the end, as always, guys, 2 exclamation mark. It's not that hard. I just recommend you to do it. If you don't want to, don't do that. And I'm now gonna show you the pricing plans. So there are 4 plans as of now: the free forever plan, the standard plan, the professional plan, and the enterprise plan. So guys, you can pay monthly or yearly. You can see that if you pay monthly, you'll pay more than yearly. Like for the standard plan, you pay 10 cents more, for the professional 50, and for the enterprise 80 cents more. So it's up to you, guys. For every plan, you just get everything that's it the minimum in the previous plan, including the written perks, and the most popular is the professional, which is €4.50, and the enterprise is €7.20. And yeah, guys, that was it for the video. I hope that I've helped you with this tutorial and introduction to the site. I'd like you to like and subscribe the video if you'd enjoyed it and I've helped you with something. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.